Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If not, nice to see you again. So today I'm going to be updating my eyesore of the stairs. I'm going to be peeling away the paint, staining the stairs, and make them more appealing. To get at the paint, first I have to remove these stair treads and the adhesive that's under them. Next, I'm just going to quickly sweep off the stairs so then I can add the citrus strip onto them. I got this from Home Depot for $6. This was my first time using citrus strip, and I just wanted to see how far it would go. Obviously, I needed to be way more generous with the amount I put on the stairs. I spread the citrus strip around like I would paint, so I made sure that I got every corner and crevice possible so it would make it much easier to strip off the paint. It started getting late, so I decided to cover the stairs with some shower curtains that I purchased from the dollar store. Obviously they were only $1, so it was really cost effective. I'm glad I did it because it made the paint way easier to strip off. After about 45 minutes to an hour of me stripping off all the paint off the stairs, it was finally time for me to start sanding. I used 120 grit sandpaper to sand the stairs. And guys, just let you know, I am aware that there's no dust bag on the back of my sander. We were in the process of moving into this home, and our apartment at the time was 45 minutes, almost an hour away from where we moved. And I didn't want to go all the way back there just to look for it and maybe not even be able to find it since everything was still in boxes. Which was fine because I ended up getting a professional cleaner anyway because we did move in when the pandemic was still hot and heavy.
You never wait for me, you never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see, you're all that I could see.
To get all these stairs done, it probably took about an hour and a half of sanding.
I lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go, let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow.
This painter's tape is also from the dollar store. I got it in the hardware section.
Love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself.
This stain I'm using is a color Kona, and I purchased it from Walmart for $4.97.
You can watch
first I was using a foam brush to apply the stain, but then I just ended up using an old t-shirt because it covered way more surface area in much quicker time.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go, let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me glow. 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 You can watch me glow.
Since these stairs are so old, there were some really deep scratches that were in them, so I ended up going in with some brown acrylic paint, which I had offhand from Michael's, and once I blended it in and added the semi-gloss finish, you couldn't even tell something else was there. The polyurethane was purchased at Walmart for about $6. I ended up using the edge painter to spread around the polyurethane.
Chief makes fun. You told me I was your favorite book. Was it true? Those good old days are worth looking back. There's one thing on my mind. In those times you call me baby, in those hours you said you loved.
I put a fan at the bottom of the stairs to expedite the drying process. And then finally it was time to paint. I ended up using bright white Behr paint and semi-gloss finish. And guys, this part is so satisfying because that's when you know you're at the last leg of your project.
I remember those eyes, they spark like the stars. I look into them and they spell out a different girl. Baby, tell me, was it all real? Or tell me, in those times you call me baby.
Here's a little hack. If you put things in bowls, you can carry all your content at one time.
Was it all fake love? Was it all fake love?
Well guys, I hope you liked the video and the finished product. If anything else, like, share, subscribe, and see you on my next DIY.